Hello Leute, welcome back to my channel. It's Dorin. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. Do not click out. Today I want to do a little unboxing video on this product. Okay guys, this product is Beauty by Baker. So the first thing I have here, once I open the product, the first thing I have here is
Lip Buster,
brushing the lips. Okay, it has two sides, it has two different sides for brushing your lips. Okay, I was gifted by Beauty by Baker. She is actually my student. So you have this product. This one is the sugar scrub for your lips to scrub out.
Strobe.
You know what it is. You know that this is the season of Christmas and it is hammer time in Nigeria, and your lips are going to get dried up. So in order to prevent that, you scrub off with this. And the next thing I have here is very beautiful lip balm,
Lip balsam
for your lips, okay, to keep your lips moisturized. And then I have the lip gloss, yeah. And then I have here her card. You can check her out on Instagram, Beauty by Baker.
Geschenk
Product. And then I have a little token, a little gift for me.
Eine Zuckerwarte oder Süßigkeit.
Eyeless. That is all. Thank you so much. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. I have so many interesting things for you. For the people that have been there for me, commenting and liking my videos, I am so happy and I appreciate. Thank you so much. Let's keep it moving. Thank you and then choose.